Congratulations, Big Sam, you're behind the wheel of the Ford Taurus. You'll be driving for Marc D of CRC Racing from Australia, and your driver name is Big Sam. Good luck in Road Warriors Season 2. Next up we have Jim MD68. He's answered that correctly, and he's driving for Super Zero Racing in the Murder Rate, and your driver name is YOJIMBO. Good luck, mate, in Road Warriors Season 2. And the last winner is Ian Adams, driving for 100 Proof Racing. You answered that one correctly. You're driving the Royale with cheese. Congratulations, good luck in this vehicle, and your driver name is Scoop Adams. Now that we have our teams and drivers sorted out, I have a lot of pre-production to do before the very first Road Warriors Season 2 race. Last season we had 8 competitors racing over 8 weeks. Season 2 of Road Warriors, we have 12 competitors, so this round robin series is really going to be one of the biggest I've ever done, which means a lot more racing, and the format just may change a little bit in regards to the editing style. However, there'll be a lot more racing, so just hang loose. We'll be on the track very soon.